what's up guys? So we're at the shop again today, actually doing a video for once. It feels like it's been months since I've actually made a video here. So some of you may remember this thing. We worked on it a long time ago. It's Wayne's. It's a 98, I think, S10 Blazer.
97.
97?
Yeah.
It's got, this thing only has like 70,000 miles on it? Something like that?
80,000.
80,000?
Got close to 80.
So the EVAP solenoid is having an issue. Did you get a code for it?
I did. I don't have the code anymore.
So it was leaking.
It was leaking right at the. Actually, it was leaking right through the connector here.
So we'll get it off. It's just two 10 millimeters right on top of your
10
intake
millimeters,
manifold.
and then you got a line here. You got to play with the clip. I got to figure out how that comes. You got to like squeeze in, but I'm gonna try pulling it up so I can actually access it.
But there you can kind of see it right behind the coil pack.
I mean, you're not going to see the difference, but actually, I was able to blow air right through the connector. I was just blowing air right through it. How that happened, beyond me.
So that might not actually throw a light, but it'll cause a running condition possibly for a vacuum
I had
leak.
a slight, like it had a higher idle than normal. It wasn't so bad the second time I started, but being much colder, maybe that had something to do with it. I'm just putting a little Soul Glide now on the O-ring. I mean, you can get away using Vaseline, whatever you want. Okay, you can see how the clip ends right here and right here. We got to do is you actually got to push up on this clip to release it. And I used the pair of needle nose and I grabbed it from the bottom, and where the clip stops, I just squeezed that, and that's how it releases. And this just clips right back on and locks in, and then push it back down.
Alright guys, I know that was a short video, but it will definitely save you a lot of headaches if you're having this issue that you can't figure out. So hopefully this helped you. It's just two 10 millimeter bolts, two connectors. The one's just an electrical one. You just disconnect that. So thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you on the next video.